theta will be a problematic factor, because if you're taking an option buying position, let's say मैंने एक position 500 में खरीदा, I bought at 500 and expecting market to go up. Okay, if market even it goes up and ek din after 2 days it comes down again, so this will be facing a huge clear theta decay ka problem will come into picture. So from my experience I'll tell you one thing: positionally option buying, even if the direction is correct, the move has to be faster. Okay, even if direction is correct, the move has to be faster. If the move is slow, dangerous, it will have that theta decay effect. Despite direction is correct, chances of making money will be less. So try to be very mature enough. Option buying mein positionally we cannot do any kind of edging. If you want to do hedging, you are buying an option and selling a far OTM ka option. If you are buying a call option, expecting market to move up, you are buying call option. And if you are selling far OTM ka call option, buying ATM ka call option, selling OTM ka call option, this is still fine enough. But openly going into option buying for direction means direction should become, it should be faster. If the direction is slow, if the market reverse back, it is a problem. Okay, try to be very clear on what are you doing, how are you doing, and I'll show you the examples also for your better understanding. Okay, so moving forward, option selling edge intraday. Intraday mein option selling edge, you need to have a big capital or else not worth. Okay, option selling edge is better for positional, option buying is better for intraday. So this is the pattern which I follow personally. If I want to do option buying positionally, option buying edged, that's the only option. Both is always welcome. Okay, both is always welcome. Why I'm doing this both is to make sure my capital is diversified. Okay, I am not dependent only on option selling edged positional. I am not only dependent on option buying intraday. Now tell me, how many traders here are dependent on any one? Only option buying, only option selling edged. How many are dependent on only one? Yes or no? Can be intraday or positional. How many are dependent on only one? Only option buying, only option selling. How many are dependent on only one? Yes or no? So almost I could see every traders, those who are messaging in the chat box, except few, all others are dependent on only one. So what happens once you are dependent on only one? Na, you are trying to force yourself. That is where you will start making random trades. Trust me, that is where you will start making random trades when market is not giving you the opportunity. How many of you have experienced this? You are only focusing dependent on one aspects of trading. If market is not giving any opportunity, how many traders have forcefully taken some random trades out of your trading system or hoping, okay sir, market is forming this pattern, I'll go and buy, but trade strategy or system ने कोई trade नहीं दिया होगा. Market would have not given any trade based. Let's say you are only doing option buying means market ने यहाँ पे कोई trade नहीं दिया होगा. You are forcefully doing something and making a losses. Most traders का यही problem है. बिकॉज फोर्स करने से पैसा प्रॉफिट नहीं बनता है सर. यू कैन नॉट मेक मनी बिकॉज यू आर फोर्सिंग. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्री एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ ट्रेडिंग. स्पेशली आप ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हाट व्हेन एंड हाउ थिंग्स वर्क. जैसे ही नो पॉइंट इन सोशल मीडिया में एवरीवन डूइंग ट्रेडिंग, आई विल आल्सो डू ऑप्शन बाइंग. एवरीवन डूइंग ऑप्शन सेलिंग, आई विल आल्सो डू ऑप्शन सेलिंग. जस्ट अ यूजलेस एक्टिविटी. ओके, Be clear with few things, and then we'll move on to the price action. Be clear now or never. That's it. Okay. You should not force to take trades. Okay. Point number one. Second thing, pressure to make money will spoil your trading capital. Be clear with this. This is just 2 points, nothing else, just a straight 2 points. Be clear now or never. Say it's just a deal of win or lose. That's it. In between, there is nothing called in between. Either you have to win or you have to lose. So for that, what need to be done? You should be clear now or never. You have been doing trading for 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, 15 years. No problem. I'm not bothered about it. Or you should not also bother about it, because I have market ka experience. I know everything means problem. That mindset should never come. Be clear now or never. You should not force to take trade. Okay. Market, if market is giving trade as per your strategy, as per your strategy, then it is fine, or else no. Okay, if market is giving trade as per your strategy, then it is fine, or else no. But what most traders do now, only dependent on one method or one type. If you are only dependent on one type, from my experience, I'll tell you, if you're only dependent on one type, if market is no opportunity is coming, market is moving up, moving down, okay, and you are not getting opportunity, यहाँ पे what you will do? You would have done it in past already. आपने बहुत कर चुके हो all these things. The question which I am asking right now, you would have done it in the past. Okay, you would have experienced it. आपने market के सामने, sitting in front of the market. Okay, you are only option buyer or only option seller. Let's say market ने कोई opportunity दिया ही नहीं as per your trade setup or strategy. No opportunity came. तो यहाँ पे what you will do? Whether you will forcefully take some trade, random trade outside your trade strategy, hoping कि it will move, this will happen, that will happen. Have you done it? Yes or no? Random trading, revenge trading. Yes, that is the problem. Pressure to make money will spoil the capital. You should not force. That is the reason what I do. I diversify buying and selling. Now coming to the price action when it comes to option trading. So first of all, option trading may price action, using the price action. If you want to do option trading, you can do both the cases. You can do directional. You can do non-directional. You can do both. Okay. So now let's take an example straight away. Let me focus on a different time frame chart. Let's go to a daily time frame chart. I'm only using price action here. Let's quickly try to understand what is happening. Now, simple example, we'll start with one by one. You can start focusing on it. You now we'll first use a pivot point. Just notice one thing here. What is happening? Simple price action will go stage by stage, one by one. यहाँ पे if you notice, pivot is shifting up, down, up, down, up, downside. Okay, so pivot shifting one. This is daily time frame, so you'll get monthly ka pivot shifting up and down. All the activity is happening. If I want to focus on a 30-minute time frame, this could be more better example. Just try to focus one thing. Day 30 minute के time frame में forget about candlesticks, only look at the pivot. Pivot shifting up, pivot shifting up started here. Okay, from this point market is somewhere trading around here. तो मतलब यहाँ पे only focus on the pivot. Pivot is gradually trying to move up. Okay, So what is the information here? Trend is slight more bullish. Fine and fair. Everyone agree with this basic price action, understanding of the trend, pivot points. I'm using pivot points. Next example, I'll use support resistance approach. Be clear with it one by one. Just try to follow. Make sure to comment in the chat box. Pivot point is clear. Direction is trying to stay more bullish. Okay. So in between this, there are few tricks to be very clear. This pivot is plotted on a weekly ka time frame. Broadly, I've zoomed out the chart and shown you pivot shifting up bullishness. Pivot shifting up, pivot shifting up, pivot shifting up. Okay. So now I want to find out some basic support resistance to make sure कि I am getting some information. What can I do? Basic support resistance, if I want to take, I'll take starting with weekly high and low. For the directional opportunity, okay, this is weekly high. यहाँ पे weekly high, weekly low. Fine enough. I'm just specifically checking only for this week ended here. I'll do in a simple way. A minute. If I just try to plot it in form of a rectangle, ये हो गया weekly high and this is weekly low. Okay, I even just want to remove the pivot also. So यहाँ पे notice कीजिए weekly high weekly low is plotted. Okay, this week, the first week यहाँ पे I'll consider this. I have plotted weekly high and low. So यहाँ पे what is the information am I getting here? Price next week opened here. So week ended here. Next week opened here. So यहाँ पे probably one entire session price was trying to take a resistance. Okay. Next day price made a breakout. यहाँ पे just notice this is weekly high, week ended a weekly high. Can we see any strong rejection from the weekly high? So we can expect market is reversing. यहाँ पे market is bullish. Everyone agree. What is the direction? Up. Fine and fair. Price is trading at previous week high. This is previous. I'll better write it down here. This is previous week high. Fine and fair. Now, if bulls, this is direction is bullish. Direction bullish है. Price trying to trade above the near and around the previous week high. Now tell me, what is the possibilities? If bulls have to take continue the move, they have to start trading above the previous week high. Point number one. Fine and fair. यहाँ पे what's happening? Price trying to reject, but is this any strong bearish rejection coming in from the previous week high for a reversal? Yes or no? You traders have price action knowledge, right? Now I want answers from you. If you have price action knowledge, I want answer from you. Basic question. From previous week high, is there any strong rejection coming in for a reversal? Strong. I am telling strong. This is just small time pass candle. You have trading knowledge. You have to answer it so you can learn. No. Right? Nothing special. What is happening? This is just a simple time pass, small red candle. Market yampe closed. That's it. Nothing special. Next day, what's happening on the next trading session? Market trying to opened here, एकदम से straight away breakout, candle close, price trying to sustain here. Fine enough, price trying to sustain here. So यहाँ पे what is this trading day? 19th of February, 20th of February. I'll just simply show you in a daily time frame. Just see this. I've chosen the same date, 19th of February, 20th of February. Now this is very important. Price is around weekly high, but parallelly on the left, if you could see one thing here, support turned resistance area is very close. What is the level? Support turned resistance. I can mark it in a format of a zone, not in a format of a level. This area pe price rejected. What is this high? 47,042, 47,289. Fine. What is this area? Support turned resistance in daily time frame. Try to understand very clear. Bigger the time frame reference level, stronger it can be. I repeat, bigger the time frame level, stronger it can be. Fine and fair. Understood? Yes, no in the chat box quickly. Right, this is the area what I plotted, support turn resistance area, price trying to go to that area. So now yampe what's happening, price assuming yampe, I will be framing all the rules in front of you. I'll be expecting, let's say I am going with a weekly breakout bullish opportunity. I'm not seeing anything else. On the left, I'm not seeing what are the price action going, what is going on here, this, that. No, I'm not seeing anything. What I'm seeing here is sellers try to reverse the price, was unsuccessful. Next day, market opened flat, sellers had a chance, they can easily made a down move because यहाँ पे market close हुआ, market opened here, so it's almost minus 150 points का opening, but still sellers fail to move the price not even below the previous day's low. Understand very clearly, I will repeat again, weekly high pay sellers try to reject, direction is bullish. So यहाँ पे is there a sign of reversal? No. Next day market opened minus 150 points. उसके बाद भी price not even went below previous day's low, reversed back up, trying to make a breakout. Okay, I'll be just blindly going with the breakout, assuming, because assuming I'm just blindly going with the breakout. Clear enough? Everyone is fine and clear, agreed what I'm trying to do here? So this is 20th February 9:45 candle, that is 10:15. 20th February by 10:15. Positionally, I am telling this is not intraday. Positionally, okay, we have 1 day to expiry. No, 1 day expiry premium DK will be very high, nothing special. So we'll go with this 20th, next day expiry, we'll go with one expiry forward. Now I'll do two things. I'll open the simulator parallelly in one more tab. Same rule, bullishness. I'm just blindly going with the bullish breakout. I'm not thinking anything else. Weekly high, bullish breakout, I'm blindly going. First case, I'm only buying the call option. I'm only buying call option. Positionally, what I did, I only bought call option. Second case, same 10:15, 20th February, I am buying call option positionally, but yampe I am edging my position. Okay, I am edging my position, and according to the price action, I will make my alternative changes because market हायर लेवल पे, दिस इज डेली टाइम फ्रेम का सप्लाई जोन इज देयर, जहां पे सपोर्ट रेसिस्टेंस के थ्रू कन्वर्ट हो चुका था डेली टाइम फ्रेम में, उसी के आसपास दिस इज वीकली हाई, रिवर्सल नहीं मिल रहा है, नेक्स्ट डे प्राइस ट्राइंग टू मूव डाउन, गैप डाउन और 150 पॉइंट्स डाउन, प्रीवियस डे लो को भी क्रॉस नहीं कर पाया, प्राइस फेल टू क्रॉस, रिवर्स बैक, मेकिंग अ वीकली हाई ब्रेकआउट, आई एम जस्ट ब्लाइंडली गोइंग विद दिस. ओके, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग कि प्राइस ने ब्रेकआउट किया, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी एग्जांपल जहां से प्राइस मेड अ ब्रेकआउट उसके बाद क्लियर रैली अपसाइड. Okay, clear upside move, clear downside move. I am taking the difficult part. What I am doing here is easy example, ले ही नहीं रहा हूं. Directional, easy directional move, I am not taking it. So यहाँ पे I am going for a bullish with a tough example, 10 15. One, I am going with the direction. Two, I am going with this. So what is my plan? Plan is very simple. I have this bearish area. Fine and fair. सपोर्ट टर्न रेसिस्टेंट डेली टाइम फ्रेम में, तो व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट? आई एम टेकिंग अ पोजीशन हियर, मार्केट इफ इट क्लियर्स गोस क्लियरली ब्रेकआउट, तो यहाँ पे क्लियर बुलिश बन जाएगा, मार्केट विल बिकम क्लियर बुलिश बिकॉज सपोर्ट टर्न रेसिस्टेंस इज मेकिंग अ ब्रेकआउट, राइट? इफ इट इज नॉट, दिस इज माई स्टॉप लॉस, ये मेरा स्टॉप लॉस. आई विल ऑल्सो मार्क द स्टॉप लॉस. ओके, दिस इज माई स्टॉप लॉस मार्क्ड. चाइल्ड सिंपल. तो मैंने पोजीशन क्रिएट कर दिया. व्हाट आई नीड टू सी, दिस इज हाउ द मार्क पोजिशनली, इफ आई एम टेकिंग अ डायरेक्शनल ट्रेड, what is important to be checked? Simple, daily close. Okay, daily close is important. I'm only focusing on directional. Daily close important. Okay, I've taken position 28 February 10:15 candle closing, 9:45 का candle, 10:15 close, taken position. Now we'll run the both. One, only option buying. Two, edged. Positionally I am edged. How I am edging? 636 is the premium I bought, less than 50%, that is 315. I'll be going with this 253. I can even further go back down, but itna nahi jaunga. Okay, we'll have a basic calculation, 60 percentage of premium. I can go even beyond, below that. 936 into, sorry, divide by less than half, or I can make it 60%. 381 point minus 255 का premium, 65, kind of 60 to 65 percentage max. 60% is better, so that it is properly edged. Okay, I can do one thing also. Can understand why I have chosen this. Buy, it is fine, directional buy call option. Why I have chosen this? 60 percentage of premium, basic rule I follow. I can do this one also. I can do, just look at the max profit, max loss, 7,700, 5,700. Okay, this is properly edged. I will consider this as properly. I can do this also. I can go far by ATM. Now look at, looking fancy, right? 13,490, 7,500. The risk to reward is far better, but this is not properly edged. If you ask me, it is not properly edged. Only thing I can do is I can go with this 60 to 70 percentage of premium if I am clearly bullish. As it is a breakout ka opportunity I am trying to see, I'll be going with this. Simple rule, 60 to 70 percentage of total premium in the debit or buy, 60 to 70 percentage of premium, I'm selling it. Edged position. Positionally I am edged, I have no tension. Of theta decay, I have less tension of theta decay. I'll show you the Greek. Just see this. Just see this. Why I'm telling I have less tension of theta decay is, theta decay यहाँ पे is minus 114. Let's take minus 100. Okay, or minus 120. If market goes sideways for one day, no problem for me. See this, यहाँ पे theta is minus 490, minus 500. If market next day goes full sideways means tension. Yampe, I don't have any tension. I'll run this EOD. Profit looking like this. I'll run this EOD. Don't look at the profit positionally. You need to be very clear. What are you doing? So market ne what happened? This is 20th of February. What I mentioned positionally, if I'm taking anything directional, I need to see the candle close. Can you see this 20th of February? Is this a good bullish candle close? Yes or no? I'll remove this for the 1 minute. Now tell me, is this a good bullish candle close or not? Yes or no? I want answers. I have removed the supply zone or a support and resistance zone mark. It's a good candle close. Fine and fair. Now, where it is closing inside the supply zone. Chalo, badhiya. Next day, what is happening? Market is making an upside opening, trying to clearly open above the support turn resistance supply zone. Can you notice this opening? Chalo, badhiya. Now, what bulls can do? Open to they have made it above it. They can easily move the price up. Chalo, fine and fair. But just notice this first 30 minutes. Now tell me, is this a strong bullish candle close above and daily time frame supply zone? Yes or no? So you have price action knowledge, right? Traders who are in the session, you have price action knowledge, right? That is the reason I'm asking. Oh, assuming you have price action knowledge, now tell me, is this a good bullish candle close? Yes or no? I don't know. I'm few traders have answered yes. Sir, now how is this a good bullish candle? I think you have not checked it properly. I'll zoom and show. Is this a good bullish candle close on a 30-minute time frame above an supply zone of daily time frame? 101% this is not a good bullish candle close. Sir, candle color itself it is red. Few traders are messaging it's a good candle close looking at this wick pattern formation. Problem, sir. This is the problem. One trader I mentioned, few traders are mentioning, sir, this is hanging man pattern, hammer candle, it's a good close. Stop wasting your time in looking at candle pattern to identify strong close or a weak close. First of all, try to come out of the old school knowledge. Better try to have that real practical knowledge, because yampe I'm not telling it's working or it will not work. Okay, candlestick pattern. Now if I google I'll find many things. Okay, just notice this. You can see this, right? Etc pattern, Y pattern, all these pattern, just forget about all these pattern. Now the trader or mention about hanging man pattern, it Google me it is showing us it's a bearish pattern. Okay, so I'm not going to go with the pattern. Now I'll tell you a new perspective to read it, whether it is a strong close or weak candle close. Try to listen it very carefully. Okay, I'm not telling this is hanging man pattern, so it is not bullish, bearish. I'm not gonna waste time in those pattern format. Simple, try to look it in perspective of B versus B. That is bulls versus bears. Good candle close previous trading session. Next day market opening above the supply zone on daily time frame ka supply zone. Now what bull should have done? Either if they are really strong, they should have moved the price straight away up. If they are mild strong, they should have given a minimum green candle close. But on the opposite side, if they are still strong, they should have minimum cleared the open eye. This is the most traders problem. They are not seeing the basic information which chart is giving. Basic information first यहाँ पे open eye. Gap up opening, I repeat again, gap up plus open eye. With previous day fantastic bullish candle close, you traders have told this as a bullish candle close, this candle, right? Good bullish candle close. Now think about in a perspective of big players. Don't have that thought process of retail crowd. Gap up opening is bulls or bears. Gap up opening is favorable done by bulls or bears. Very basic question. Let me know in the chat box. Gap up opening is done by bulls or bears. 101% gap up opening means it is done by bulls. Gap down opening means it is done by bears. Right? Now, gap up opening, bulls ne gap up, open eye. What is this mixed clue? Open eye का मतलब hint of bearishness. Open eye means until this open eye is not getting crossed clearly and price action developing above the open eye, until it is not happening, it is hint of bears. Bulls ने gap up किया, after the open it is giving an hint of open eye. Bears trying to take control. Is this a mixed clue? Confusing? Confusion in the chart? Yes, no. We have confusion in the chart. Gap up done by bulls. Open eye is an hint of bearishness. Where it is happening? In the supply zone. In the daily time frame supply zone. Right? It's a hint of confusion. How many traders look the chart in the perspective which I am trying to discuss right now, which I am sharing right now? Almost 80-90% traders are not looking in this perspective. That is the reason problem. Okay. So now simple mixed clue is there, no clear clarity. So we have to wait with the bullish position which is going on. Okay. When can I exit the bullish position? If price यहाँ से rejecting here, या फिर price struggling to move up, then I need to exit my thinking of exiting the bullish position. No other option for an option buyer perspective. We'll go forward here. What's happening? Price is trying to move down, move up. Can you notice one thing? Now tell me, at this point, price struggling to move. First, bulls made an open above the support turn resistant daily time frame supply zone. Now when price came down, one more attempt from the bulls. Whether bulls are able to cross, forget about giving a close or trading above it. Are they able to cross? If they are stronger, they should start trading above this zone. Yes or no? If they are stronger, they should start trading above it. Yes or no? Yes, right? Are they doing it? Are they doing it? No, they are not doing it. End of weakness, end of weakness. What's happening? Price struggling to go, immediately rejecting here. So at this point, by 345 to 215 ka candle, I'll move till 345, 215 ka candle, I'll move it next day. 1 hour, 215 ka candle. Now let's see this. Only pure option buying, only 228 rupees ka profit. Wait, यहाँ पे the real picture is here. Why I am completely not positional trading means it should be done with edge, no random position. From here, price is trading here. From the entry point, entry is 46,880. Now trading at 47,880. I repeat, 47,080 levels. So from the entry level, Bank Nifty is still up 200 points. Everyone agree? From this is my entry level. From my entry level, Bank Nifty is up 200 points. How much I am making here? 228 only pure buying. Same I'll move with edged position. So Yampi, what is the problem happens now? Only if you are positionally only buying. Intraday option buying, no problem. You have time to place stop loss. You have to market if it is sideways. You have 315, 330 ka cutoff time. Uske baad you have to come out of the position. Intraday option buying, I personally do. Positionally, what's happening? 200 points in my favor, but problem. I'm not making anything in the only option buying. With tension. What is the tension? What is the tension? The tension comes when I'll tell you. From here to at this opening, how much profit is was shown? 2000 ka profit. Clear? This is morning 9:15, 9:16 opening tick. Where the position was showing one lot pay at this point, it was showing us 2000 ka plus, right? When the problem comes to a retail trader, once they see the profit which has been, you have seen the profit of 2000, if everything goes out and if the position turns into negative on the losing side, but actually from this is entry point, price not even came near to the entry point next day, not even came. But I will show you one thing. By 10:15 to 10:45, 1 hour, 30 minutes. See this. Where, what is the time here? 10:45 plus 2000 per lot. It will be, it becomes so easy to see one lot cut, right? I'll do one thing, I'll increase the lot to 5. Now you will understand what I want to tell, the real factor. Same edging, may I'll do the same thing. Positionally, option edging is more better. Directional, non-directional. What has been shown? I repeat again quickly, just focus, very, very important. From the entry point, next day opening 9:16, profit is 10,000. This is my entry point. Price is trading here. This candle close because it is 10:15 candle, 10:45 it is closing. How much point it is up? It is up by 90 points. From my entry level, it is up by 90 points plus. Check the MTM fluctuation from 10,000 profit, game over. 10:46, 3,000 ka loss. I'll go with the same edged position also. I'll show you this. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Can you see what's happening? Can you see the big difference here? Can you see the big difference here? Mindset. This is what the problem which most traders have is the mindset. Sir, I was seeing 10,000 ka profit, sir, and suddenly my spot level is 90 points in my favor only, 90 points up only, but my 10,000 ka profit is now running to 3,000 ka loss. This MTM fluctuation is the problem. This MTM fluctuation makes traders to come out in loss, either to come out in loss, या फिर you lose your patience. You lose your patience, or fear start dominating. What if it goes down, I lose more? Arey yaar, price, I've taken the position here, theta dk may I face the problem. What is happening? Okay, theta dk problem, what is happening? I should have made it more clear, but I have not made it. But Yampe, I will do one thing more. This is option edging position. What I have told, forcefully I have taken 70% drop, but actually edging has to be done 50 to 60% max. I need to take the edged position. I have taken 70%. That is the reason it's showing 1300 minus. I'll show you one more thing. If I'm going with the proper rule, bought 60% maximum, I need to buy the edges. If I'm doing that, I'll be shorting this. Now same, I'll be going EOD next day 1 hour 30 minutes. See this, proper edge less than 1000. So MTM fluctuation is not big. I have tension. What I am focusing, I'm not focusing on MTM. Most traders focus on MTM and come out of the trade. Price again trying to move up. Yampe, it is not good. Price struggling. You traders have mentioned price trading eager. If the bulls are strong, they should start trading above it easily. Na? Struggling. Opposite may same supply zone say rejection. What is the time here? 145. That 145 candle means 215. I'll be moving 1 hour, 1 hour, one more hour, 215. Buying may 896. What's happening here? Actually, the entry price is different. I'll match this entry price also 620, 620 only, because just to show you entry price 620, entry price 620 only. Okay, matching the entry price. I'm not forcefully doing any change, just same entry price matching. Just see the difference here. So now tell me, from my entry level, Bank Nifty is still up by 200 points. One day of zigzag. Sideways में there are two types: slow sideways, reversal activity. Okay, so what is this category? Is this a fast reversal sideways category? Yes or no? Sideways में two very tight range पे trading, या फिर zigzag up and down move coming in. Is this a fast reaction coming in the market? Faster one, right? So just one day of zigzag, 200 points Bank Nifty is in our favor. Only option buying, what are you making? Nothing. Because int is coming here, ki price is rejecting, right? Price is rejecting, showing an int of rejection. Now think about it. Check the MTM fluctuation, only buying 10,000 plus 3,000 ka loss to 900 ka plus. यहाँ पे what happens ना, जिस fluctuation 10,000 का profit to 3,000 का loss, now what traders will do once it comes to, you see it in a profit side, most traders will exit. I'll tell you 80% traders will exit. Exit came here because of emotion. Direction was correct, emotion problem. You have exited. Scalping, I don't do scalping. So scalping is probably worst way of trading. I'll tell you practically. If your risk to reward is not minimum 1 is to 3, option buying scalpers will might not survive. Consistently, I'm telling. If your risk to reward is 1 is to 3 or more, then it is fine for scalping, or else waste of time. Positional में there is nothing called scalping. I'm not talking about intraday. Intraday में scalping. Positional में there is nothing called scalping. Practically going on, यहाँ से reject हो रहा है. So what is the thing? I have to exit this. यहाँ पे just see this. Both the sides I'm getting the profits. Both the sides I'm getting the profits. Selling may be profit, hedging may be profit. Both the ways profit. Now what can be done? Rejection coming in. So I need to plan a bearish, right? Again, I'll go with the buying part. The fluctuation of MTM pure buying is creating the problem. Now, price rejected, fine and fair. Okay. Now, same time, I need to focus on taking a bearish position. 145 to 215, probably by 230. 230 will move 15 more minutes, will create a bearish position. What I'm doing? Buying put option. Only buying put option, no edged position, nothing on one side. Because try to understand one thing, from the time I have taken an entry here, now tell me, if you are taking entry here, do you have any idea कि market will continue to move up? Market will not be sideways or market will not go against my position. Do we have clarity, yes or no? Do we have clarity, yes or no? From the time of entry, is there any clear clarity कि market ऊपर ही जाएगा, market will not reverse, market will not be sideways, market will not come down? Do we have any clarity on any trade? 101% no clarity when it comes to positional, especially. What if overnight news comes? What if overnight news comes? Because once market is closed here, we don't have control. Until next day opening, we don't have control. Intraday option buying, we have control. Stop loss exit या फिर 330 before exit. Intraday positionally no control. Okay, we'll go on this. Price reject कर रहा है 145 to 215, 230. I only bought put option here. यहाँ पे what I'm doing, I'm again going in the edged position only. 15 more minutes moving. Buying put option. Okay, सामने से I need to edge 60% of premium minimum. 493, 60%. Basically, just for to show you it in the max calculator, I'm doing it 295, 296 point. 197 का premium I need to focus. 197 or 191, nearest one. 5 lots. So now you are clear, right? What is this position? Shifting into bearish, edged, just an open random position. Sorry. Okay. Clear enough? Are you clear in this? Yes, no, let me know in the chat box. Clear, yes or no? Let me know in the chat box, because one way I'm speaking, because if you are clear, I can move forward. Chalo, fine. Clear enough? No, Yampe, sir, why I'm not looking at daily close before closing a trade? Very simple. Try to understand. Price is trading in a supply zone के आसपास trading. Price struggle कर रहा है. No point in waiting till close. By the time if I wait till close, what if market, I have a clue bulls are failing, price is rejecting. Why should I wait till the close? No use, right? By the time if it is closing, market comes down, this is a clear rejection. What is the worth of waiting? When jump a supply zone say bull struggling to cross the open eye initially, uske baad struggling to now even trade above the supply zone, rejecting. Clear enough? Now we'll move forward. Now when, what is the point of where can the profit can be booked? Very simple. Price यहाँ से reject कर रहा है. So I've taken a bearish position. What is my exit point? There should be an exit point, my target point. Price trying to reject from a supply zone of daily time frame rejection. So simple. This is an reversal trade. Reversal trade में what is happening? Price comes back to the mean or next support. When it comes to a reversal trade, do you agree with me? Price comes back to the mean or near to the next support. What is the next support? Here in the 30-minute time frame, can you tell me what is the next nearest support? Just look at this. First day rejected, second rejected, third day price came, took support, rejection. Next day took support, rejection. What's happening? Resistance turned into support. Do you agree with this? This a good nearest support zone or support area? Yes, no. Other than that, there is nothing to see. Right? Basic target rule. If you are expecting price rejecting reversal trade में price comes to the mean point, that is called mean reversal, या फिर next nearest support zone. Next nearest support is somewhere here, right? This area, support area. Price came to that, forget about it, complete week got completed. Okay, so till that time we have to wait, no other way. Taken the position here, we'll move it one day forward, end of the day. Okay, यहाँ पे I'll move it end of the day. Now, this is the target. Above this is the stop loss. Very clear. Next day market trying to come down, उसके बाद again going up. Now, next day, this is my target point. No other support or resistance zone is there. This is my next nearest support. So, in between this, I cannot do anything in this. I need to only see on candle closing to closing basis. So, this is 22nd February. Next day, candle closing. Next day, candle closing. I repeat, Yampe, what is running? It is 2900 ka profit running. I'll write it down very clearly here to make it more understandable to you traders. Only buying mein running was 900. Edged mein running was 2900 ka profit before taking the second position. Chalo, fine. Now, 22nd February, we are on the close of 22nd February. Just a minute. Yes. Now tell me, this is 22nd February ka close. Here we don't have any support or resistance like here, so I cannot decide anything. Positionally, I need to leave the position to go towards the next nearest support zone. Now tell me, this is 22nd February close. Is this a strong, any good close coming in here? Good close or just a normal close? Good close or just a normal close? Quick answers. Good close or just a normal close? I repeat, is this a good close or a normal close? Just a normal candle close, no bullish, no bearish. Jump open or where the market opened, the close is also same. Normal candle close. Simple. We have to move forward. No other way, no other option available. We have to move forward further. Okay. Closed here. Next day, look at this. Price again trying to go to this Perseg rejection. Again, price trying to reject. Can I do pre-meeting here? Again reject. This is my entry level. Next day market is above my entry level. I'll move slowly. First 30 minutes. Just see this. Just see what is happening. 30 minutes backward. 30 minutes upward. Can you see what's the loss in the only buying? 30 minutes upward. Just look at this. This is my entry level. Price is trading here. How much point price is against my position? 47042. This is my entry. 47042. Bearish entry. Right? Now after first 30 minutes, where it is trading? 47106. 47106. 70 points, hardly prices 70 points against me. Yes or no? 70 points hardly against me. Just see only buying का problem. 9,000 game over. यहाँ पे hardly 1,000 points in a 5 lot, not one lot, 5 lot. Now tell me, will you have tension or slight fear factor looking at 9,000 ka loss? Just market is 70 points against your direction. Just 70 points. Will you have slight, be honest here, will you have slight fear looking at 9,000 ka loss? Yes or no? Be very honest. Every trader mindset vary. Just 970 points against your position in spot. Will you have slight fear? Will you start overthinking? What if price goes and eat my stop loss? Will you have this thought process running by seeing 9,000 ka loss? Be very honest here. I want to more be practical. I'm not going to do any time pass in doing a session because I value my time, I value your time. You will have a fear factor or a thought process. What if price goes and eat my stop loss? How much loss I will face? All this thought process, overthinking, everything starts running in the mind. Yes or no? Just 70 points against, theta is playing a dangerous role. Damage everything, damaging your mindset, everything. This is the reason at the start of the session I mentioned positionally option buying. We don't have control. Profit looks fancy, but loss side may fear will destroy the capital. Now tell me, 1,300 ka loss on 5 lot you have taken position. Now tell me, will you start overthinking the same way you're thinking here looking at 9,000? Will you overthink fear, emotion? Yes or no? Will you have anything as such? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now tell me. Obviously, no, right? No overthinking. What happened? Nothing has happened. Just 70 points against me. I'm seeing just 1000 rupees, 1300 rupees car minus going. Nothing special. If you are edged, positionally, if you are edged, it can be option buying or selling. Positionally, if you are edged, you don't have tension. Less tension trading, more better profit. More tension trading, what you will do? Emotional driven position. You will maximum trader will square off the position. Looking at just 70 points against, but you are not looking at this. You are looking at the MTM. I'll tell you practically 70-80% trader will square off the position. On the initial days of trading, I was also doing the same. So I know the experience part. 70-80% of trader will square off the position, but not here, 1300. But still, we'll go forward, assuming not nothing exited. Now, 130 more minutes. Now the game is getting more tricky. 30 more minutes. 12,000 means more heart attack might come for few traders of because of fear, overthinking, tension. But still, stop loss not got triggered. Remember, stop loss not got triggered. What happened next? Immediately यहाँ पे price reject कर रहा है. Price is rejecting here immediately. Edged position came back to profit, but still यहाँ पे तो loss ही चल रहा है. Theta का effect, because market from the position market came down, one day of reversal creating pressure. Now price फिर से यहाँ से reject कर रहा है. So below this candle low, I'll be more happy to premium it, add more quantity in this, because यहाँ से supply zone से फिर से rejection. I'll be more happy to add more quantity only below this candle low, because यहाँ पे rejection मिल रहा है. Again one more time rejecting. Now think about it. Now the price action, one more rule comes into play. I, lower I, lower I. I, lower I, lower I. यहाँ पे failure rejection taken position. यहाँ पे when price now coming inside the zone getting rejection. Is this an hint of bearishness to add on in the previous bearish position? Yes or no? Basic higher low, lower high price action. The price action which you traders knew it, higher low, lower high formation starts developing around supply zone with a rejection. Adding the quantity below this low only. When this low came, this is somewhere around here, 115 to 145 ka candle. Let's take it 130, 140, somewhere around 46, 860. We'll move forward. 115 to 145. Okay. Still, this is on the losing side only. This is aram se running in a profitable side. Now, no point in going more to a detailed depth. We'll straight away go into this premiering part. I'll be premiering. I can go do two things. I can premiere half of the position, or I can completely premiere it fully. I'll go with the rule of safer side, conservative bet, half of the position. 2.5 lots can't be done, 3 lots. I'll do premiering of 3 lots, ATM only, buying ATM puts, 3 more lots. What I have done, I have done premiering. Don't get confused, I have done just a premiering. Same way I'll do here. Buying ATM ka put, 3 lots, this is edged, 420, 60%. If I want to show you on the calculator, I can do, but basically It's somewhere around what I can do, 190 ka premium I can go, but I'll show you the calculator for you. 252, 420 minus 252, 168, 170 ka premium. 160 ka premium, 168. So I'll go 160 na यहाँ पे. I can add three more lots here. Okay, just see this. If I even remove this, there is no change in this 2300. I'm adding three more lots. So no change. No change in the MTM. Okay. Just added three more lots. So Yampe, what is the game going on? Premiering done, 8 lot buying, 8 lot edged. Yampe, 8 lot going on. We'll move one day forward. Remember, we have taken 1 week extended ka expiry. Somewhere executed on 21, we have taken expiry of 29th ka expiry. Still days are there, but price as it is going near expiry, more problem for option buyer. But still we'll move forward. Okay, we'll move forward one more day. We'll check by this day, end of the day, 23, end of the day. Yampe 23, end of the day. Just see this one thing here. We need to check the candle close. Is a strong candle closing or not? Or a good candle closing? Is this a good candle closing? Now tell me. Very, very important. Daily time frame, a good bearish candle close from the supply zone, yes or no? Definitely a good candle close, price rejecting on a daily time frame, right? So we'll just stick to it. In between this, I don't have any support resistance as such, so we'll move forward. Remedying is also done. So simple, target to exit is the rule. One more day we'll move forward on the buying part. Fine and fair. Target is still very far away. 23. Now just see this. Next day also decent candle close coming in. Target is simple, reversal ka opportunity, next nearest demand or supply zone pe exit. Actually what happened, it came somewhere around here. 29th morning price came. So can I move straight away to 29th morning opening tick? Jampe target got triggered. But problem here, as the price goes near expiry, buying ka problem will also come. Forcefully we have to shift. I'll just leave it as it is. Just see, I'll go on Tuesday, one day forward. This fluctuation is also might create pressure. 18,000 profit, one day forward, 7,000. Almost 60% profit wiped out. Just look at this. One day forward, 18,000, 16,000. Now the interesting part, expiry ka dangerous problem. From here, exit is here. How much point? 47,000 to 45,700. Almost 1,300 plus points. Let's see where it goes. Next day, end of the day. Next day, end of the day. Morning pay exit. 5 minute. 5 minute. What I'm getting, only buying 77. Edged 60,000. Now, profit looks good. Now, this is what I want to show. That is the reason I forcefully pushed that to show you. 1,300 points rally, in which the problem comes what? The problem comes the MTM fluctuation. You are seeing MTM loss of 18,000. Can you hold this trade? But edged May MTM loss was maximum gone till where? Maximum the MTM gone till minus 3000 or minus 4000. Tension nahi, less tension, more, no problem. Now if I go one day back, just see this. Wednesday morning, one day back. One day before the expiry, Wednesday morning, here, at this point, you have waited from 21st to 28. How many days? 1 week waited, full 1 week of waiting, only 4,800 ka profit. One with over tension, fluctuating, moving up, down, sideways का market में premium DK already यहाँ पे 8 and 600 sorry 500 points in favor, fluctuation of profit loss up and down creating pressure. यहाँ पे it gone to loss of minus 18,000 in the buying, selling में minus 3,000, no pressure. By looking at minus 18,000 minus 15,000 का loss, you have exited the position. That is reality. यहाँ पे no tension, less tension, more benefit. Okay. यहाँ पे what one more factor here is on the Wednesday market has to fall. If market is sideways on this day, this premium would have come to 310. Premium drop, game over. But यहाँ पे there is no tension. If it is also sideways, I'll make money. If it is falling down, I'll make money. Both the cases, I will make money. Okay. If I'm taking position on an 1 week extended expiry, is it worth to play the theta role? Theta will be affecting a lot here. Can you see the theta here? Minus 12,000. 1 day before expiry, theta is minus 12,000. यहाँ पे theta is what? Just minus 1,000. Can you see the big difference here? Theta same day 28 February 920, 28 February 920. Can you see the effect of theta? Very less. Price is sideways, I'll be making money. Price is moving down, I'll make money. But if price goes sideways, game over. 1 day before expiry, minus 12,000 ka theta, game over. यहाँ पे most traders are not looking at Greek and spoiling their trading. Look at the Greek of theta effect. Okay, it's all about peaceful trading. If 1 day before expiry, if this day goes sideways, game over. This theta will eat all, entire profit will wiped out, go into loss side. But यहाँ पे only 1,000 ka theta minus 990,000. No tension. 1 day sideways, no problem. Understand the difference, be more clear on towards what, when, and how you are doing. One question is talk about intraday with same example. Sir, intraday, Naren sir, intraday I have shared lot of videos. You can go and check on my Twitter platform. Lot of content on intraday. Yeah, you could find 40 hours of videos on intraday trading on my Twitter platform. YouTube video links are available. You can watch. Fine and fair. Understand what, when, and how to do. Diversifying is more important. Just like that, if you are doing not worth, you will be not making anything in the market. If you are edged positionally, this is an example which has been shown to you. Jहाँ पे market went into your favor, but यहाँ पे what happened at this area? The loss was somewhere around 12,000 or even more. I have not moved 30 more minutes. The loss was around 15,000, 12,000, 14,000 ka loss. Everything will emotion, overthinking, panic, pressure, by which you will exit this loss. Just 70 points against you in Bank Nifty, 70 points, 100, 150 points against you. You will break the rule of not exiting in the stop loss. You will exit earlier and then blame this down move. Sir, once I exit, market went in my favor. How many times did that happen to you? You have exited a profit position before stop loss getting triggered and then market move in your favor. Yes or no? How many times it has happened to me? Yampe, the problem here is positionally option buying. If I exit this loss, I need to come up, cover up on the next trade to cover up. But if I'm taking an edged position, I can do adjustment and I can cover up it in just 1 or 2 days. I don't need to forcefully find opportunity in option hedging. Now, one simple question I will ask: how many times you have exited your trade before stop loss getting triggered? Just by looking at the losses. Have you done it? Yes or no? Question is simple. Before stop loss getting triggered, have you exited your trade because of looking at losses? Yes or no? So few are telling it no, maximum are telling it yes, right? It can be emotional problem, fear problem, anything, but maximum traders are telling yes. So what you are doing, you are breaking the rules, so you are slightly becoming indisciplined, and no point in expecting profits from the market if you are breaking your rules. If you are breaking your rules to recover the loss, what a trader will do, will try to take some revenge trading, random trading. Revenge trading, random trading will lead to more loss, more loss, more problem, more loss, more revenge trading, capital wiped out. One mistake of breaking the rule, if you are breaking the rule today, you might break the rule on the next trade, next week, next month. Continuously breaking the rules, continuously you are indisciplined, continuous losses. Losses leads to fear. Emotionally, you are not in control. It will force you to do revenge trading. Revenge trading lead to big loss. This is reality. I was using price action in front of you to show you examples because there's time limitation is also there. This is just one example. I have not shown edging, option edging on directional, non-directional, mild bullish, mild bearish adjustments. I have not talked much about adjustments because of time limit in the option edging position. Okay, traders, any questions, queries you can ask in the chat box. Already 1.5 hours of session time is 10 p.m. now. So traders who have any questions, queries, you can message me on the whatsapp number. WhatsApp link is available in the chat box. You can message me on the WhatsApp. Okay, traders who want to learn more in detail, more in advanced about option edging, option selling, positionally edged, feel free to message me on the WhatsApp. I am planning to conduct a more in detailed Zoom session, more than 13-14 hours of option edging session in the coming month. So traders, if anyone is interested to gain more knowledge in terms of option edging, you can message me on the WhatsApp link is not working, sorry. Now just try anyone who want to message me, just check the link in the WhatsApp. You can message me on the WhatsApp if you want more in-depth learning on option edging, option positional option edging. Okay, any questions, queries, if you have, you can let me know in the chat box now. Okay, WhatsApp link is not working, just a minute. Just everyone just stay on the session, I will share the link. Also the WhatsApp number is also shared, you can check. So traders, anyone who's trying to message, just confirm once in the chat box whether the WhatsApp link which has been shared, whether it is working or not. Okay, not working. You can so do one thing, you can message me on the WhatsApp, or I'll also post the link of WhatsApp link on my Telegram channel also. Fine, you can check it in the Telegram channel also. So traders who are interested to more in-depth learn about the option hedging part along with the price action combination, you can message me on the WhatsApp. Any questions if you have in this session, let me know in the chat box. Any questions or queries if you have in this session, you can let me know in the chat box.